In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Steam no licenses error that appears when you try to launch or play any game. This issue usually happens due to Steam account sync problems, beta conflicts, or corrupted client files. Follow each step carefully and your issue should be resolved. Let us begin. Step 1. Switch to Steam Family's Beta, most important. First, open Steam on your PC. Click on the Steam button in the top left corner. Select Settings. From the left panel, click on Interface. Scroll down until you find Client Beta Participation. Click the drop-down menu and select Steam Family's Beta. Click Restart Now when prompted. After Steam restarts, try launching the game again and check if the error is fixed. If the issue still appears, move to the next step. Step 2. Clear Steam Download Cache, new step. Before doing anything else, let Steam finish updating in the background. Now, open Steam settings again. Go to Downloads. Click on Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your Steam account. Once logged in, test the game again. Step 3. Download Goldberg Emulator, Advanced Fix. If the issue is still not fixed, continue with this step. Open your web browser. Download the Goldberg Emulator, latest build. Save the file to your system. After downloading, right-click the downloaded file. Select Extract All. Create a new folder on your desktop. Extract the files into that folder. Step 4. Copy the correct files, Windows and Linux. Once the folder opens, for Windows users, copy these two files. Steam_API.dll. Steam_API64.dll. For Linux users, open the Linux folder, open x86_64, copy both files from there. Step 5. Paste files into the game directory. Now open Steam again. Go to your library. Right-click the game that shows the No Licenses error. Click Manage Browse Local Files. Paste the copied files directly into the game folder. If prompted, choose Replace the files. After this, close Steam completely and reopen it. Launch the game and the issue should now be fixed. Step 6. Verify game files. If the game still does not launch, right-click the game in Steam. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete. Once done, restart Steam and try again. Step 7. Sign out and re-sign Steam account. Sometimes the license sync fails. Click Steam Change Account. Sign out completely. Restart your PC. Open Steam and log in again. Then launch the game. By following these steps, the Steam No Licenses error should be completely resolved. If this video helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications for more fixes like this. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I will see you in the next one.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot.